downtown Rockford was victim of an act of vandalism. Someone took a backpack full of rocks and smashed out the front of 8 different businesses in downtown Rockford. So as you're walking down East State Street, where there were windows, now all you see are plywood boards. It was a depressing sight, but someone had the idea to do something about it. A whole bunch of artists were sent out an email. The River District, Rockford Area Arts Council, and Rockford Area Convention and Visitors Bureau are collaborating to help our downtown friends. Recognizing that it'll be weeks before some of the windows can be replaced, we'd like to bring some artful cheer to their boarded up windows. So we are reaching out to local artists and inviting you to paint a mini mural on the plywood boarded up windows. This is a first come, first served opportunity. So I sent an email back and explained my concept. I would paint an abstract landscape, purchase molding, paint it gold, make it look like a picture frame. Once my concept was approved, I went right to Dick Blake. Went through all the colors and picked out ones that suited my idea. I picked these. And then I thought, what if I, instead of building a picture frame, actually bought a picture frame? So I went on to Facebook Marketplace, found this gigantic golden frame that would be perfect. Of course, I'm the type of guy that needs to mock up something and see what it looks like in the end. I messaged my friend Brett Whitaker about the concept. And when he was down there, he had extra black paint. So he messaged me, let me know he had extra black paint. So he's an awesome guy, very generous. So I took him up on his offer and got to work. Next, I got the picture frame, which I thought was just a painting I could paint over, but it turned out to be this stuffed fabric thing. Anyway, I couldn't paint on it, but I needed the board underneath. I had to get the fabric off the board. Then needed to get the stuffing out as well. So I ripped it off, threw it away. Next, I needed a smooth surface, so I got rid of the staples. Then I wanted to do a dry fit to make sure it fit without the fabric on. I screwed it to the wall and got to priming it. I gave it 3 coats. Opened up the paints from Dick Blake. I lined up all the paints and got right to work. I put paint right on the board. Got my favorite painting tool, a drywall trowel. Started spreading the paint to get an idea of what it would look like. Then the light blue for the sky. Need a little bit more here, so I put it on heavy. Pink for some flowers. A little heavier here. Now for a little spray paint. Gotta bring out the pink. Do it again over here. Next, I let it dry overnight. Then took it down and loaded it up in the frame. I secured it to the frame and felt it was done. Took it to the board and asked my friend Twana to meet me down there to hang it up. It's a little unwieldy for one person. She helped me get it up and screwed it in. I thought it looked pretty good. Mine was the last of the murals to go up. I watched as others put up great work, nervously waiting for my turn because I didn't get my picture frame until Thursday, and it was due Friday. And I was hoping my work could hold a candle up to the other artists. In the end, I am honored to be among people I admire working on a lovely initiative that is a win for all. Artists, businesses, and our community. This entire project reminds me of a quote. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters.